Welcome to my lecture on the structure of prompts in generative AI. While there is no strict syntax that must be followed when crafting prompts, there are some guidelines that can help improve their effectiveness and readability of the prompts. Broadly speaking, a prompt can be categorized into two main components. One is system message, other one is user message. User message is nothing but asking a query or typing a command, things like that. System message actually lays the groundwork for interaction. This system message can be further categorized into two components. One is instructions, other one is context. Instructions, as the name says, these are directives that guide Gen AI behavior. For example, you can give an instruction that says, I want the response to be in 2 bullet points. Context actually provides background information. In summary, these are all the guidelines at a high level. Let's look at these guidelines in ChatGPT interface. I'm in chat.openai.com or chatgpt.com interface. I'm currently using 3.5 model. Let me ask a question about very recent announcement. Microsoft released small language models called 5.3 in April 2024. As it rightly said, ChatGPT 3.5 has no specific information on these models because the knowledge or training cutoff date for ChatGPT 3.5 is January 2022. But this announcement happened in April 2024. Now, how can I make my question get answered? Let me go to that announcement. Here is an announcement about 5.3 models. I'm taking a couple of paragraphs from the announcement. Coming back to my ChatGPT 3.5 interface. Now, if you look at this latest prompt, whatever I copied, I pasted as a system message. My question, I kept it under user message here, right? As expected, the response to my question is coming from the given system message here. Okay. So I want to add certain instructions on the response because this looks too much for me to read. So let me further divide this prompt into next layers. I'm renaming system message as a context and I'm adding instructions here. Generate response into bullet points. Each bullet point should not be more than 10 words. Now, if you look at the structure of my prompt, the system message I further divided into context and instructions. Now, my structure of a prompt has context, instructions, and user message. Again, like I said at the start of this lecture, there is no standard syntax, must syntax to follow. These are just guidelines. If I take this prompt and if I open ChatGPT one more time, let me remove these keywords here. It is still going to respond back to you. In summary, the usage of these words make your prompt look effective and more readable. That's all for this lecture. Thank you for watching.